I'm Tyler Winegarner for Cool Tools, and today I want to talk about a task that I hate doing: knife sharpening. This is my set of kitchen knives. They're not great, they don't hold an edge well, but they've been with me since college and I've grown pretty attached to them. And while they came with this honing steel, it's not a technique I've ever felt I've mastered. Which is why I'm grateful for this, the Worksharp Combo Knife Sharpener. This is an automatic knife sharpener intended to make knife sharpening easy, even for bozos like me. If we're being honest, this knife sharpener is a pretty simple machine. It's kind of a glorified belt sander, but that's okay because that's basically the tool we need. And there's a lot of good design to make this a great tool for the task. It won't take up a ton of space in your utility closet, and it operates solely on mains power, so there's no batteries to take care of. It works like this. When you switch it on, the two abrasive belts begin spinning. You take the blade you want to sharpen and rest it against one of the two guide blocks on the sharpener, and then draw the blade back at a consistent speed. Then you switch to the other side. Once you've completed 5 strokes per side, you're ready to move on to honing. Honing is done on this ceramic rod. Like the blade sharpening, there's a guide block to help you begin your stroke at the correct angle. However, it's on you to keep the blade at that angle once you begin. Like the sharpening stage, you want to make 10 complete strokes, 5 per side. And that's really all there is to it. After a single sharpening, your knives should be noticeably sharper and better to use in the kitchen. And it's fast enough that a whole set of knives can be done in under an hour. Over time, the abrasive belts will wear down. You can buy a replacement set for around $6. To replace them, just remove the belt cover, press down on the tensioner to remove the old belt, and replace it with a new one. It's a great idea to spin the sharpener up to make sure that the belt is tracking properly before replacing the cover. The Worksharp Combo Knife Sharpener is available for under $60. It's probably a poor comparison for a proper professional knife sharpening, but if you're not planning on including that kind of service in your regular kitchen upkeep, this is a fantastic plan B. Look for links for the knife sharpener and the replacement belts down in the description. For more tool recommendations like these, check out cool-tools.org.